Hey guys, welcome to SocialNet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Netflix account from your mobile device. Netflix is the biggest streaming service in the world right now. When it started nearly 20 years ago, Netflix was a subscription-based DVD service that would mail DVDs straight to your home. Netflix debuted its streaming service, allowing viewers to watch thousands of on-demand TV shows and movies ad-free. Now, 10 years later, Netflix has become one of the biggest names in entertainment, producing critically acclaimed TV shows and movies and hosting original comedy specials. Netflix now offers up a wide range of content across every genre you can imagine. So, if you have already created a Netflix account for yourself and now you want to sign into it, just go to the Netflix account or go to any browser and tap on it. You can go to the search bar and search for netflix.com and you'll land onto an interface like this. In here you can see the sign in option available. Go and tap on it in order to sign into your existing account. Once you land onto the sign in page of Netflix, you need to enter your email address or phone number and a password in order to proceed. Once you are done filling the information that is associated with the Netflix, go and tap on sign in. Now once you have logged into your Netflix account, you will be able to see various tabs that is associated with the Netflix account. So in order to watch Netflix TV shows and movies, go and tap onto a particular tab and you will be able to download and watch the episode online anytime and from anywhere. So that was it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.